Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add a sound to CapCut PC. Alright, to add this sound, you are just going to click on the audio feature and you can select the music available here and select the sound effect available here, or you can extract the audios from the video, and you can also add the sound from TikTok account, just link on to TikTok account. So for example, I'm going to select the sorry. You can also add the audio. Just click media, click import, and select the files you want to add to CapCut. Click open. So here's just drag to the track. Alright, automatically. Alright, I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.